The other day, I was a-looking at that there doggone emailing doohickey at that there doggone cousin done sent to me and Bobby Dwayne. And them there words on that there doggone emailing doohickey, it was a plumb purty. So as I hollered at Bobby Dwayne and said, Bobby Dwayne, these here words in that there email from that there doggone cousin is a plumb purty, and I'm not seeing how's a weasel go about fetching that right there. Well, Bobby Dwayne come in here, and he learnt me how's a weasel can go to searching for him there doggone special fonts in that there doggone googly winder, and now I'm a-gonna learn you. Now looky here. If an weasel go to punching in F-O-N-T-S and that there itty-bitty dot, like that right there, and then weasel needing to go to punching in googly, and that there other itty-bitty dot and that there C-O-M word, like that right there, and then punch on that there doggone intro keyboard key, like that right there, well looky here. That there doggone internet windows done popped up, and they's a bunches of them there doggone fancy letters that we's can go to using right there. And if we's seeing one that we's thinking we's might be a liking, and we's wanting to go to fetching that right there, we's needing to go to punching on at and we's wanting, like that right there. And then we's needing to go to punching on at there what's a saying, we's gonna be a downloading the entire doggone kin, like that right there. And once we's done fetched that right there, that there's gonna be a showing up down there, like that right there. And then all we's got to do is we's got to punch on that there doohickey right there, like that right there. And then we's gonna be a seeing that there what's got that there itty bitty dot and them there T and a F alphabet letters, like that right there. And Bobby Dwayne was a saying that there T and a F is a meaning that they's in there true type fonts. So we's needing to go to double punching on that there file like this right here, a punch, and then we's needing to go to punching on that there right there what's a saying, we's gonna be installing that there, like that right there. And then we's can go to closing this here window by punching on that there little X looking doohickey right here, like this right here. And we's can go to closing that there window by punching on this here little X looking doohickey right here, like that right there. And now looky here. If we's be working in that there doggone Microsoft application, we's might needing to be closing that there application and go to opening that there back up before we's can go to using that right there. But now looky here. Bobby Dwayne was telling me that if we's using one of them there doggone googly applications, all we's got to do is we's got to punch on that there little arrow what's pointing towards the doggone ground, like that right there, and then go to punching on that there what's a saying, more fonts, like that right there, and then we's can go to searching by punching in something right there if we's knowing what we's be searching for, or we's can just go to scrolling down, like that right there, just we's finding one we's be liking. And they's gonna be showing what them there doggone letters is gonna be looking like right there. And then we's just needing to punch on that there we's be liking. And then we's just needing to punch on that there what's a saying okay, like that right there. And that there's gonna be staying in that there doggone listies, like that right there. Now looky here. Bobby Dwayne was a saying that if we's using them there doggone Microsoft Edgy Internet's windows and we's wanting to fetch some of them there doggone googly fonts, once we's seeing one that we's liking and we's go to punching on that right there, we's needing to go to punching on that there what's a saying, we's gonna be downloading the entire doggone kin, like that right there. And then we's just needing to punch on that there what's a saying open down there, like that right there. And then we's just needing to go to double punching on that there itty bitty dot and that there T and a F file right there, a punch, like that right there. And then go to punching on that there what's a saying that we's wanting to be installing that right there, like that right there. Okay?